All right, friends, you made it to day 2. Solve quadratic equations by factoring and using the zero product property is our learning objective. Our language acquisition objective is to explain how to find the solutions to a quadratic equation by factoring and using zero product property, using academic vocabulary and today's focus notes. And our central question is, how do I use the butterfly method and zero product property to solve a quadratic equation? So the good news is, you're not going to graph today. Bad news is, we're doing butterfly method again. So let's just talk about what the zero product property is before we get into an example. So the zero product property says that if A times B equals 0, then either A has to be 0 or B has to be 0. So like if we had 5 times 0, that would be the B equals 0. Or if it was 0 times 5, that would be A equals 0. So it just means if you have something times something and it equals 0, one of them has to be 0. All right, let's get into examples.